everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into eBay.com. Keep watching the video till the very end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Simply go to your web browser and search for ebay.com and hit the enter on your keyboard. Soon you'll be taken to the official website of eBay. To sign in, click on the sign in link provided at the upper left corner, and on the next page you'll need to sign in to your account by entering your credentials. You can log into eBay with the help of your email or username, or even with your Facebook, Google account and Apple ID. Enter your email or username that is associated with eBay and click on continue. On the next page you'll need to enter a password which you created during the sign up process. Make sure you enter your password correct every time you log in. After you're done entering the password, click on sign in button. In case you forgot the password, then you'll need to click on the need help signing in link and follow the instructions to reset your password and get access back to your account. After entering the password, click sign in, and soon after you do that, you'll be logged into ebay.com. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episode again. Goodbye till then.